Understanding marketing campaigns, a comprehensive overview. Marketing campaigns are essential for businesses looking to achieve specific goals, whether that's increasing sales, building brand awareness, or improving public perception. This article dives deep into the intricacies of marketing campaigns, their objectives, types, channels, and best practices, offering you a well-rounded understanding of how they function. What is a marketing campaign? A marketing campaign encompasses a series of coordinated and strategic efforts aimed at achieving a particular business goal. While the primary objective is often to promote products or services, campaigns can also focus on broader initiatives such as enhancing brand reputation, launching new offerings, or mitigating the impact of negative publicity. For example, a company experiencing dwindling sales due to negative press may develop a marketing campaign aimed at image rehabilitation. Such campaigns may not only include direct advertising through traditional media but also utilize organic channels like email newsletters and social media, showcasing the versatility of modern marketing strategies. Key components of marketing campaigns. 1. A strategic goal. Every effective campaign begins with a clearly defined objective, which could range from increasing website traffic to enhancing customer loyalty. 2. Target audience. Effective campaigns focus on specific consumer segments. Understanding the demographics, behaviors, and preferences of the target audience is crucial for crafting impactful messages. 3. Media channels. Selection of channels is paramount. Choices range from traditional platforms like television and radio to digital channels such as social media and email. 4. Creativity and messaging. The visuals and messaging should resonate with the target audience and maintain consistency across different media platforms. 5. KPIs and metrics. Establishing clear metrics for success allows businesses to track the effectiveness of the campaign and make necessary adjustments. Types of marketing campaign activities. Marketing campaigns deploy a variety of activities across numerous channels. Some common media types include digital advertising, advertisements on websites, social media platforms, and search engines, e.g., Google Ads. Content marketing, blogs, articles, and videos that inform or entertain while subtly promoting the brand. Email marketing, sending targeted content to a curated list of subscribers to drive engagement and establish a relationship. Public relations, engaging with media outlets to secure coverage or releasing statements to address public concerns. Out-of-home advertising, billboards, transit ads, and digital displays aimed at capturing attention in high-traffic areas. Each channel serves a unique function and can significantly influence campaign effectiveness when chosen appropriately. Marketing campaign resources. Businesses can utilize a combination of in-house teams and external agencies to execute campaigns. The size and scope of the campaign dictate which resources are necessary. In-house marketing teams. For companies with existing marketing departments, leveraging internal talent can often streamline processes and reduce costs. Agencies and freelancers. For specialized needs or when internal capacity is stretched, hiring professionals can offer expertise and broader reach. Tools and technologies. Using analytics platforms, CRM systems, and project management tools can significantly enhance efficiency and tracking capabilities. Goals of marketing campaigns. Marketing campaigns can pursue various objectives, including but not limited to 1. Product launch, introducing new products to the market with high-impact campaigns aimed at generating excitement. 2. Brand awareness, building familiarity and a positive reputation for a brand, particularly for new businesses or those entering a new market. 3. Sales promotion, creating strategies to drive immediate sales through discounts, limited offers, or bundled products. 4. Crisis management, addressing reputational challenges stemming from negative publicity through carefully crafted messaging and outreach. Measuring success. To evaluate the effectiveness of a marketing campaign, businesses must define key performance indicators, KPIs, that correlate with their objectives. Common metrics include sales volume, the ultimate measure for most marketing campaigns. Website traffic, changes in organic and direct traffic post-campaign can indicate increased interest. Customer engagement, likes, shares, comments, and other forms of interaction on marketing materials. Email open and click rates, for campaigns relying on email marketing, analyzing engagement metrics can provide valuable insights. Notable examples of successful marketing campaigns. Super Bowl ads. The Super Bowl is the epitome of high-stakes advertising. Apple's 1984 commercial is legendary for its cultural impact and commercial success, leading to a substantial increase in sales. Got Milk? Campaign. This campaign succeeded in boosting milk sales through clever celebrity endorsements and memorable imagery, showcasing the power of branding in consumer behavior. Conclusion. In conclusion, marketing campaigns extend beyond traditional advertising, encompassing various channels and resources designed to achieve specific business goals. Whether through organic outreach or fully financed advertising efforts, the core of any marketing campaign lies in its strategic execution, audience targeting, and iterative evaluation. Businesses must be adept at aligning their messaging across channels to resonate with their audience and drive desired outcomes. As competition intensifies in a digital age, the ability to craft multifaceted and compelling marketing campaigns will be essential for long-term success.